Hi, I'm Matt Fugate, brand ambassador for Kerastase. Today I'm going to show you how to create an effortless no-heat hairstyle using only Aura Botanica. With me is my beautiful model Liz, who has finer hair texture, so I'm going to create something that adds a little bit of body and more boost to this style. Let's get started. To begin, lightly mist Assange d'Eclat into your palms and run product through the mid-lengths and ends. To build body and texture, you're going to rouge the hair using your fingers. Massage the scalp, lifting the hair at the roots. You can now see the shape becoming fuller. Now, using your hands as a rake, gather the hair on both sides and pull to the back of the head. Pointing your left thumb down, wrap all of the hair around the thumb and hold the bun into place. Shape and detail your bun using U-pins for control and balance. Catch the outside of the bun with the pin and press the pin back into the center. Repeat on either side, almost like you're making a U-turn with both pins. Lifting the hair in the crown, focus on the overall shape of the aesthetic. It should be very soft and romantic. Mist Assange d'Eclat on the ends for light separation and shine. So here you have my perfectly undone bun. One of my favorite looks for post-yoga or going from daytime to date time. So yeah, hope you enjoy.